Hey, it's me, Leah, and today we're going to talk about this Apple CarPlay, and I'm super excited. This is an 11.5-inch screen, Android Play, Apple CarPlay. So basically, you can mirror your phone right to the screen if you don't have one. Let's open this up, check it all out, and see everything that's inside of it. And we're going to go put this in the car. Here it is, and it sticks to your dashboard, but it has a nice adjustable back base so that you can adjust it how you need to. Comes with your backup camera, your power cord, and your wiring kit. Okay, so we have it set on the dashboard, super easy to install. You just plug this in right there, and then you have a backup camera, and you can run the camera all the way in the back. And then you have your maps, your Apple Music, your messages, so you can play your Apple Music, go through your playlists. You have your maps. You have your calendar. You can receive your text messages.
Aurelie said, "Hello. Would you like to reply?"
Yes. Hello.
Your message says, "Hello. Do you want to change it or send it?"
Send it.
Done.
Many things with this. You can create widgets. You have your backup camera. You can do your text messages. You can do phone calls. You can do your phone calls. This was gifted to me free for review, and this is a great addition to your car. If you do not have a screen and you want to have Apple CarPlay or Android Play, and you can do everything right from your screen, and it sticks right here. Super easy to install, and I got this free for review, and I highly recommend.